Hello दोस्तों, my name is Saurabh. In this video, I am going to discuss what is process in an operating system. Process is what? Process is a kind of program in an execution stage. Whenever a program is executed or in the about to execute by the CPU, because there is a proper life cycle of a process. If a program under the category of a ready state, that is also known as a process. So when a program in a execution phase, it's known as a process, right? So process is a very crucial part of any operating system, and it is very important we efficiently handle the processes, because in a multi-programming scenario there are multiple processes running simultaneously. So it is the job of a operating system to maintain a integrity between these processes, and at the same time we must obtain the consistency, right? So there are processes have different sections, right? So we will discuss each and everything in this particular video. So first section is known as a text section. Text section. What is text section? Text section mean when a process take the data, from the whatever the data is in a non-volatile storage. Non-volatile means in a secondary storage, and the data come under the main memory for the purpose of execution, that come under the category of a text section. Because we are actually segregating the data according to the types of a data. So the text section is where the data from the non-volatile memory come, right? So this is about the text section. The second section is data section. Data section. Data section. Data section is what? Data section is used to store the static and the global variable. If you have the programming background, you must understand the term about the global and the static variable. So we use these terms in a programs, right? So whenever all the variables which are declared as a static or a you can say as a global are stored in the data section, right? So third section is heap. Heap is what? Heap is a kind of a data structure which store the data Heap, first we need to understand what is heap. Heap is a data structure which store the data which is coming in a dynamically, right? Because the data come in the two form, at the compile time or the run time. When the memory is allocating at the run time, or we can say through the different functions like malloc, calloc or delete and new, and these functions actually allocate the memory at the runtime. These kind of data come under the category of a heap, and this is a separate section for in a process, right? So fourth section and the last one also, text section, data section, heap section, and the stack section. STACK, stack section. What this section have? This section, the stack section, having the local variables, right? This is reserved for the local variables. So these are all the stages, these are all the different sections in a process. I hope you have understand the concept of this process, and there are different stages, there are different sections actually. Keep watching, keep learning. Thank you. Do not forget to give your genuine feedback in the comment section. Thank you.